Hey you. Alright, trying another video. I saw a pretty cool experiment and I wanted to check it out. So anyways, we're learning about batteries in in school. And I saw something I thought was pretty neat. So what I have done is I have made a battery and I used lemons. It's a pretty cool little project. The way electricity works is if you have two dissimilar metals in an acid solution, you can create electricity. And there's all kinds of different things that you can use. I've heard of people using potatoes. It's basically how batteries work, just with a low-level conductor. I use lemons. So anyways, here is what I've got. I've got this in the closet so I can show you how it works, because you'll see I need to turn the light off. I've got a lemon, I've got copper ground strap, and I've got zinc plated screws. Screws work great because there's a lot of surface area, and I have connected them in series. Here's the end, okay? Connected positive to ground, positive to ground, positive to ground, all the way around. Hopefully you can see because it's in the back here. So they're all connected all the way to the end, and there I've made a little loop to connect to my ground. And there's my light, and I'm going to make it work. So, just to show you how this works here, I've got my voltmeter right here. I'm going to turn it on to volts. Right now it's picking up frequency from the air. But anyways, pardon the view here, I've got to get this situated on my battery. What I've got is a AA, and AA is, whoop, I dropped it. Here's me in the mirror. I'm using one hand again. I'm the one-handed pro here with videos. Okay, here's my AA battery, and you can see on the voltmeter we're reading 1.5 volts. This is what AA batteries are rated at. Now, if I take my lemon here and I test my lemon, we're going to connect the terminals, and you'll see that I'm getting about, there we go, 0.9 volts. Oh, hang on, I lost it. Let's try this. 0.9 volts, okay? So one lemon, as you can see, is a little less than a AA battery. Well, I've connected 8 of them together in series, so I have roughly 7.5 volts worth. And here is my LED, okay? And when we touch it, this is what happens. It lights up. Look at that. I got a bunch of them, bunch of the lemons, because LEDs don't take a lot of power, they don't take a lot of amps, but they take a little bit of volts. So when you connect a lot of them like this, you can get a decent amount of power out of it. Let me turn off the light, and you'll see it. There's my LED, shining in the dark. Oop, hang on. Flashing here. I'm trying to get this stuck on here so I can take my hand off it. There you go. That's what we got. It's losing the connection, so it keeps breaking, but as you can see, when I touch it, move it off, it turns on. So there it is. That's my lemon cell battery.